Well, this is my toaster is on the left and the new kettle is on the right. They're both Russell Hobbs. I think you can probably see the logo there. Both are storm grey, which I think is particularly fetching. The toaster I particularly like. It's got controls on this end for defrosting and like an emergency stop, and obviously the up and down thing for the bread. Oh, and a variable, you can vary the temperature as well. The good thing about this toaster, which is also Russell Hobbs, is it takes English bread, not American, so you get the whole thing toasted, not just 3/4 of it, which is a real bloody nuisance on most Chinese toasters these days. The kettle is that's pretty much standard. There's an on-off button here, which when you turn it on it goes red. Apart from that, as I say, a really nice complementary, oh, just turn that off, sorry about that. Nice complementary set, which I think goes really well with everything else that's grey around here. And I'm really pleased with it. Just thought you'd like to see.